Hi everyone. So now I'm going to tell you how to take GUI access for our Aruba device. So here you can see this is Aruba device. So in Aruba device we have interfaces. Show interface brief if you give. These are the physical interfaces, but we have a separate interface called management interface. Show interface MGMT separate interface. Here you need to configure a IP. Okay. So this is very important. So if you want to get access, right, GUI access, you must configure IP here. Now on GNS3 you have multiple interfaces, right? E0 is called management interface. Okay, E0 is called management interface. So now you need to connect a cable from E0 and take a cloud. So here in GNS3 you have a cloud, drag and drop it, and this cloud you need to go to configure, and now this cloud is a VM cloud. Okay, once you drag and dropping it, right, it is asking whether I need to select a cloud. See, like this, once you drag and drop, right, it will ask you desktop or VM. Please select VM, it's very important. Please select VM and click on OK. So the cloud is also running on VM. Okay, your Aruba is running on VM, your cloud is running on VM. Now in VMware, the important settings is you need to go here, right click on it, go to settings. You already set up GNS3 VM, right? So right click on it, go to settings, and here please choose bridge network. So don't choose NAT network, please choose bridge network, so that everything is on under same VM, so that it is good. So if you go with the NAT, right, there is a packet losses issues, and NAT is not happening internally properly. So there is a communication issues. So select bridge only. Okay. Now you will get your local IP. Whatever your computer is having the net IP, right? In the same subnet, your GNS3 VM will also have IP, and after that, your Aruba switch also will get a IP. So what you need to do, you need to configure IP address. How? Go to configure terminal, interface MGMT. Now here you can give IP DHCP. First of all, it is down, so you need to give no shutdown. Okay. Now you can give IP DHCP. After that, wait for it. Okay. Give IP DHCP and just wait for it. So now check it. Do show interface MGMT. So it's also learning via DHCP now. Okay, earlier I was configuring static, yeah, but if it is learning via DHCP, it is fine, guys. Otherwise, configure static. How to configure static? Simple. Okay, you can use the commands like, you know, if you give question mark, here you will see. So if you want to configure IP address, static IP, so IP, just configure static and IP address like 192.168.0.254 slash 24. Okay, now default gateway, configure whatever the gateway your computer is having. Make sure whatever the gateway your computer is having, right, go to command prompt. So ip config / all. Okay, your computer gateway you should configure, sorry, your computer gateway is 0.1, right? Same thing you need to configure here. Okay, yeah. Now do show interface MGMT. See, once you configured it, right, so try to ping, do ping 192.168.0.1. It is under VRF MGMT, guys. See, it should be ping. Now once it is pinging, right, you have reachability on your browser. So go on your browser and your management IP. What is your IP address here? What you have configured? The management IP is 0.254. So type 192.168.0.254. See, it will ask you, actually, let me open a incognito mode. Okay, now give a credentials. Okay, yeah, whatever the credentials you have set up, right, for you. So now this is a GUI platform. This is how you can access GUI, Aruba GUI from GNS3. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.